I'm Katrina.
Hey, I'm Zalak.
And today we're answering questions about Sigma.
How about you go first?
All right, let's do it. Can Sigma handle massive data sets? Yes, I have personally worked on data sets in Sigma that are billions of records. And one of the reasons why I love Sigma or fell in love with Sigma first is how fast it works with data.
All right. Is Sigma a BI tool or a data app platform? It's both. Traditionally, we are a BI platform, but now we are expanding in the data apps world. So yeah, you can build applications in Sigma manually or through AI.
Can Sigma explain my data? Yes, as you were saying, Sigma uses AI in a lot of different ways. And I think the easiest way is just asking AI to explain your data. So I'd say yeah.
All right. Is Sigma live or cached query on the warehouse? It is live. We are looking at live data that is coming directly from the warehouse. We get fresh data.
Do we do any caching, Zalak?
We do some sort of caching at the browser level. We have some patents around it. We call it alpha query. And we also use Snowflake cache. And so, yes, when there is cache available, we use it. But yeah, we are live on the warehouse.
Nice. Can Sigma connect to my data warehouse? Yes. Sigma uses cloud warehouses as well as CSVs. And then you can also manually input data through input tables, which are writing back to your data warehouse as well.
Which data warehouse do we connect to?
Ooh, there are so many. I don't know all of them off the top of my head. Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery,
Postgres, Redshift.
There we go.
AlloyDB.
Yeah, that was the newer ones.
MySQL. Starburst. I think that's all.
That's all of them? And that's why you're sitting here.
ClickHouse.
To answer all of them.
Yeah. Is Sigma AI? Everything's AI. So, yes. You can have AI workflows in Sigma. You can use AI to do things in Sigma. So, yeah, depending on how you frame the question, Sigma is AI. I am AI. You are AI.
You are AI?
Yeah.
We're all AI. All right. Can Sigma replace my BI tool? Absolutely. Definitely can replace standard BI tools, but also do more.
Swallows you everywhere.
Yes, Sigma can replace your BI platform. We also could replace other one-off workflow platforms or those sorts of things. So anything that is BI and.
Yeah, applications.
Yes, and applications and AI, because we are AI.
AI. Is Sigma where my data is stored? No, we do not store any of your data. This has been one of our foundational principles that we don't want access to your data, makes the governance using Sigma very easy. And we are a very lightweight layer on top of the warehouse. So we don't really need to store any data. You have metadata, but that's not data.
Okay, there we go. Can Sigma work for non-technical users? Absolutely. I do a lot of Sigma training, and one of my favorite things to talk about is the easy ways or the easy buttons that Sigma has, specifically a period over period calculation. You can do it built in. All you have to do is follow the prompts that are given to you in the platform. So it's really easy for folks that have any level of technical ability to use Sigma.
Okay. Is Sigma a startup? Sigma has been around for quite some time, but we do operate as a startup. Our velocity is pretty high. Yeah, I would say technically no, but we still operate as a startup.
Startup vibes.
Startup vibes, yeah.
Can Sigma build apps? Yes. As we talked about, we are more than a BI platform. And so we're able to build applications that capture workflows. So think like approval workflows or submitting anything that you would submit and then want to change the status of, like a project tracker, headcount planning, anything like that we can build.
Yeah, we do all of our quarterly planning now in Sigma. So yes, definitely. Is Sigma primarily for finance users? No, it's really for any vertical, any business unit. At Sigma, we pretty much everybody at Sigma uses Sigma. We have more than 800 people now at company. I would say pretty much everybody uses Sigma on a daily basis. So it's agnostic to verticals, it's agnostic to industry, agnostic to skill level, right? You can write SQL, Python, and spreadsheets and then use AI or natural language. So it's really for everybody.
Can Sigma connect to other AI tools? Ooh, if you want to find out the answer to this, you should come to our product launch because we'll be talking about this. But in short, yes.
Is Sigma the answer to all of my problems? Yes, I think so. Depending on if you have data problems or application-based problems or AI problems.
Or if you need a new job and you want to join us and we can solve your problems through a salary.
We're hiring a lot of people. We're growing pretty rapidly. So Sigma could be the answer to all of your problems.
Can Sigma handle multiple tenants? Ooh, this is a question for you, or it should have been a question for you, Zalak.
Yes, we can handle
Yes.
multiple tenants.
Yeah. Do you want to talk a little bit about what tenants are?
No, you should come to the product launch.
All right.
I'm
Works
going
for
to talk
me.
about then.
Yeah.
Okay. Is Sigma embeddable in my product or portal? Absolutely yes. Sigma is very extensible, right? You can build something in Sigma and you can put it in any of your product or any platforms. In fact, you can build on top of Sigma. It's the extensibility is very high. So we embed it as an iframe into your product, but that iframe can talk to your application and there's high level of interactivity. So absolutely do that.
Okay. Can Sigma make me look smart in meetings?
Yes.
Yes, it can. I think that using Sigma will help you understand your data better, ask better questions, as well as provide insights into actions or things that you should be doing in your business.
Yeah, instead of like putting screenshots in your presentations, if you have live dashboards that point to something, I think it's much better. Like
you can more easily answer follow-up questions.
100%.
Yeah.
You know, oh, what if I want to slice by this thing? Perfect. I can just slice right there.
Or see the underlying data, just right-click and drill down into it.
Yeah. So definitely makes you look smarter in the meetings. You don't have to rely on screenshots. Okay. Is Sigma's best office in San Francisco? I work from San Francisco, so I'm going to say yes. But we have our offices in San Francisco, New York, which I'm visiting next week, and then in London. And we have folks all over US, some folks in Canada and London as well. So
they're each special in their own way.
Yeah.
I like
snacks are definitely better in New York, I would say. That's why I'm going to New York. But
just for the snacks.
just for the snacks. No, I think all of the offices are special in their own way. They have cardboard cutouts of some interesting people in each of the different offices.
Okay. Can Sigma show you what's next on the map in AI country? Definitely. But if you want to find out more about what is in the map of AI country, you should come to our product launch in a few weeks.
And the last, is Sigma hosting a winter product launch? Yes. Katrina and myself will be part of the next winter product launch. So again, as she said, check it out. What date is the product launch on?
December 11th. December 11th?
December 11th. That's what our director says.
That's what it is. Yes.
December 11th. We'll see you December 11th.